start this video, Kabao Metomaka na share button, share this video. As in a nwata for go Igbo Igbo. Osi ogbo ihu. Nwata for go Igbo Igbo. Osi ogbo iru. What I don't understand is why our people we keep moving from pillar to post, looking for trouble. This behavior of looking for somebody's trouble who doesn't even know that you exist. I don't know where people or how people are deriving joy. I don't know how people are deriving joy in creating stories which I don't even know where they are generating those stories from. I don't understand. It seems like the event that has happened in the past has not really taught our people a very big lesson. It has not really taught our people a very big lesson. I don't know why this 2004, a year of people not minding their business. I don't think no will any year in the history of an Igbo or in Nigeria where people has constantly refused to mind their business. Currently the year 2024. A lot of things happened in the year 2024. Yet, it's not even like we want to learn a lesson from all that has happened. Akoru story number A, AC from story A, Abai story B, AC from story B, Abai story C, AC from story C, Abai story D. Akụkọ niile na-eme na Nigeria. Right from mgbe Dangote refinery bidoro ịrụ ọrụ. And now politics niile do n'enwe. Ka e wee funa frustratory effort to that refinery. Both from engagement in NNPC, everything that is been happening in our education system, in our health system, in our road sector, in everywhere, exchange rate, fuel price in Nigeria. A productive youth will refuse to talk about it, but you will constantly stay and manipulate and concoct a story and bring it out. You will sit down and watch people's reaction. I don't know. It really made me to understand that some people are really demon possessed and devil incarnate. Because how can someone constantly sit down and plot the downfall of another man? What will be your joy if your fellow man fail? I keep asking this question. The secret wedding of Evangelist Ebuka Obi, were you there? Were you there? If it is a secret wedding, were you there? Since you know that he did a secret wedding, can you show us the picture or the video of that wedding? Can you tell us the family of the wife? Can you tell us the town or the state where the wife comes from? I am asking you a question. If it is a secret wedding and you are bringing it to Facebook, but you are not giving us the details, I am asking you, my people, when are we going to learn a lesson? When are we going to learn a lesson? When are we going to learn a lesson? Then they took it to na Evangelist Ebuka Obi na brother Shinwike na Esoku na ha na anu ogo na ebe kiti. I don't know what your business is, for God's sake. In the family of Obi, I don't know what your business is. I don't know what your business is. In a ministry you are not a member of. You are a member and you are a citizen, a bona fide citizen of Nigeria. You have refused to talk about what is happening in Nigeria. But you have chosen to get yourself occupied and busy with what is happening in Zion ministry, which you are not part of. You are not a member of Zion. You have never been a Zionite. You have never even set your foot into Zion. What is your business in the activities and operations of the Zion? Does it mean that you love these people more than your immediate family? Does it mean that you love these people more than your immediate family? Are you people not even, when are you people going to start being ashamed of yourself? I'm asking you, When will you people ever look yourself in the face and say, I think this thing I am doing is so shameful and disgraceful? Unu sit here down. Unu ana plan also story. Unu nwere call about somebody. Ka ya unu buputa. Ebuka Obi on eje secret wedding. Ochiri father. I am asking you, Evangelist Ebuka Obi on eje secret wedding. Ochiri father. Onweda na ebe ogwarowo no ya no wanyi. If ogwarowo no fu wanyi o ya no ya no. Has it ever been anywhere ogwarowo no nugo wanyi? I mean no ya no wanyi. Ogwarowo an ordained reverend father that also saying wanyi. He cannot make it open. On a Jesse a secret wedding can na jo. You see, and sometimes I drop what this rumor. Some people will begin to argue. Some people will begin to spread these rumors as if they don't have thinking faculty. Why? You will first of all ask yourself, Kerive Patara Evangelist Ebuka Obi a secret wedding? On a secret marriage? Is he an ordained priest? If he chooses to marry openly, who is he going to be answerable to? Is he going to be answerable to any bishop? Is he going to be answerable to any pope? Is he going to be answerable to any institution in Nigeria? If he chooses, okay, today I want to marry Sister Shioma. Has he even at any time said that he is not going to get married? He has never said that. So, can you tell me why Oyeju secret marriage? I am asking you. If you ask yourself this question, then you can imagine why these people have so much time. Metoma can like button. If you haven't shared this video, I want you to share this video. I have told you people that now, okay, no longer with a report video. They are doing it to my page. I know the moment I saw more than 2,000 Ndosha followed me within 1 day or 2 days. I saw them follow me within 1 day or 2 days. That was when I know that Nafal won't know on my page. But don't worry, I will smoke all of them out very soon. If you feel you have a message, pass your message. Allow me to pass my own message. I have never connived with anybody to go and report anybody's page. So leave my own page and go to your own platform. Leave my own page and go to your own platform. Because the day I will decide to follow you people for what you do, I can spend any amount of money to make sure I get back to you the way you think you are doing. You think you are smart. Yeah? You think you are smart. Yeah? You know that where you make money is from your page. You know that where you make money is from the money Facebook pays you. Yet, you are coming to my own page that Facebook doesn't pay me money on to come and play joke or this. Do you think if I decide to play by your own game that you will not go hungry? You think if I decide to play the game you are playing, you think you think that you can finance it more than me? You think you can finance it more than me? You people should be very careful. You should be very careful. You should be very careful. Meshonana kondo kandoka why no biojo webono no kodine. Iye ku okumana nwanne ga yeku. Iku nwanne ga ya asa. Iku nwanne usa owu problem. E showuzi yesi we short nwanne up ko ga iku oku. Imagine owuru no onye Igbo nwe this Facebook app. Imagine what if somebody kid them no owuru no onye Igbo nwe this Facebook app. Let me go back to what I was saying. Click on like and love. Share this video. Click on like and love and make sure you share this video. Yeah? Share this video. Now, if Evangelist Ebuka Obi even decide to do a secret marriage, are you a member of his family? Are you a member of his family? I am asking you. Are you a member of his family? or all anything? Is this marriage supposed to be a national event? I am asking you. This is the platform. Eben Nano Ogona. I planned my marriage. I planned my wedding. I had my wedding. I did everything without you knowing. Until the day I brought the picture and photos to the Facebook. That was when you knew that I've gotten married. So, is his marriage supposed to be a national event that the whole Nigeria must stand still because Evangelist Ebuka Obi is going to get married? Does he owe you anything? I don't know how this has even become an issue, even if he got married. Are you a member of Obi's family? Yes. It can only be a crime in Igbo land. No Bruno Genuine without Omonaye. Iwonyo Monaye. Iwonyo Monaye. Iwonye Bobi. What explanation does he owe you? Even if he decides to go and marry on a low key. Is it your business? Is Ebuka Obi your politician that is supposed to be answerable to you on how they spend your money, on how they do? Is Ebuka Obi a politician that is supposed to be answerable to you? I am asking you a question. When are you people ever going to get tired? Why are you going to be poking your eyes and your nose into somebody else's business? It is not your business. There is no concern with you. If Ebuka Obi is having quarrel or problem with his twin brother, is he your twin brother? Are you Onyo Munafa? Ibonye family fa? Are you the son of Mr. Obi? What is your business? So, I've been a family who today, I've been your own family today. Yeah? You know, at peace with all the members of your family. So, let us even assume that of a true, na Ebuka Obi, na misunderstanding with Ejime. Is it your business? Is it for you to come and make peace between them? I want to know what your concern is, because sometimes when you put even more meaning, na Korea Castle, na Bagale, or na to na Korea Castle, na Bagale. Yeah? And put another story. Why no put a na church here? Why no put a na ministry here? Very happy be your na na chop Igbo bank also. When are you people ever going to get tired? I am asking you. Let me tell you people. Ijele is about to spend his Christmas na prison. Ifo John Wekute. Speed Darlington is about to spend his Christmas na prison because of Ifo John Wekute. Speed Darlington is about to enjoy his Christmas holiday na prison because of Ifo John Wekute. Ijele is about to spend his Christmas holiday na prison because of Ifo John Wekute. Ngoma kube, wonu kube, neka Nigeria suwega kowisi. You don't have time to come and talk about national issues. You are busy talking about Zion ministry issues. Ide Joker, you are no more a Christian. Are you not supposed to be so much interested in the activities of the new congregation you have joined? Why are you always bent on Zion this, Zion that, Zion this, Zion that, Zion this, Zion that? Are you a Zionite? I am asking you. Tell me your business and your headache with Zion ministry. I want to know today. Tell me your business and your headache with Zion ministry. That even internal family affair of Evangelist Ebuka Obi has become a national issue. Personal lifestyle of Evangelist Ebuka Obi has become a national issue. Even the mother of Evangelist Ebuka Obi has become a national issue. You just want to make it to look like a headline. And so what? Okay, all the people who go to Zion, they have heard you and they have told you to your face, no, Zion will buy here. Are you not ashamed now? How do you feel? How do you feel that that you are wasting your time? How do you feel? I want to know how you feel. Ibu block nanya. na-achọ onye ihe ewepụ otu mpekele aja dị n'anya. Ibu blọkụ n'anya na-achọ onye ihe ewepụ otu mpekele aja dị n'anya. Pararam News ya emegide ife ọ na-eme ụbọchị aka ya ha kpara ya unu ebebe. That is where I have problem with our people. You cannot advise people properly when they are misbehaving. You are waiting until action is being taken against Onya. Maluko na Malona. A lot of people in Nigeria they will oku hand that touch gofa. Speed Darrington have your arrest. Ujesha pota erizie opotakwa ile gbawakwa. I made the video to that effect. A lot of people cover mono. Ndị niile ahụ kọrọ mono mgbe m make the video. N'ife speedality nkwuru adọrọ mma because agbara m ụnụ n'ife na-eme na Nigeria tata ahụ eburu ozu onye ọzọ dụka ebu ukwu nkwụ. Eburu ozu onye ọzọ ọdụka ebu ukwu nkwụ until na-eburu nke then that is the only time you feel the pain another person dey feel. Biko metro maka na like and love button. Na-eme program on eju na my program na report my program. Report one of my program. You want to go? Report one of my program. Also when you want mmadụ 500 or mmadụ 1000 no ife na-ekwu. It doesn't matter. At least people have heard me. You want to go? Na report on ya ka ọ ghara ịga aga ka ọ ghara ịkpụ akpụ ọ ya akpụ akpụ ọ na-esi etu akwede. Share this video na ọ bụrụ na share about this video. Share this video na ọ bụrụ na share about this video. I made a video cautioning Speed Darrington instead of our people to help and tell Speed Darrington, brother, you are running too fast. Brother, what you are doing is not good. They came out to come and defend. Civil offense that it is not supposed to be. He is not supposed to be detained. None of them within the time. None of them within all this time. What at time? Caution us Speed Darrington when the formula drama. And that is the challenge we are having in Nigeria today. In all those time, any of them may reply Speed Darrington nifi neku no drama. Just like none of them ever told Ijele nifi neku no drama. None of them will even tell Pararam News nifi neku no drama. But you will see all of them come out to come and play emotional game. An emotional game. Ikwetalo na Pararam News wo a civil matter. In fact, he wasn't even supposed to be arrested at all. Ikwetalo Speed Darrington, not a civil matter call that he wasn't even supposed to be arrested at all. Ikwetara Nigeria, not a civil matter, that he wasn't even supposed to be arrested, that he was supposed to be invited and questioned, then onye merifa, they can now go to court. But it is the same you that is sitting down telling Ogechi to come back to Nigeria so that he can arrest Yaya because he committed the same thing Ijele committed, he committed the same thing Speed Darrington committed, he committed the same thing. Have you seen? What I give you? The same thing even Pararam News committed. That was what, according to you, Ogechi committed. But each of Ogechi because he exercised his own right the same way Speed Darrington and the Jelly she were exercising. Have you seen? I keep telling you people about selective judgment. Selective judgment will not go anywhere. Monopoly over violence. Nobody has monopoly over anything. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. Yes, there is no two ways about it. The right thing to do is, in as much as you are trying to tell the police that they are not supposed to be, they are not supposed to do this or they are not supposed to do that. It is also right thing for you to do that. Speed Darrington, that what you did, do very wrong. Yes. Madu ife okay. Where you are also trying to tell Unya no overreact. It is right thing to do. Because if focus no onye tiri nwata ife tifere ife oke why ye jide ife nwata believe wo na ife ahụ o mere odumma nwata ahụ ye megido that thing until o je mee ebe ya wo mee onye jizi isi wee pụta o carry hetu a. I don't know where our discipline and our sense of decency has gone. I don't know where our sense of responsibility has gone. We have started behaving in such an irresponsible way, in such an irresponsible manner. There is no rule, there is no policy, there is no principle anymore. Because you don't like this and I love this. Because you hate this and I love it. Because I hate this and you love this. That is where we have lost our values as in the Igbo. That is where we have lost our values as in the Igbo. Let me notify you that is making yourself an scapegoat. Let me notify you that want to entertain others. You want to play the dancing so that people can clap for you. Anytime you are doing that and you fail to remember that Ijele has been forgotten, let me tell you, we can go now 3 months without anybody talking about Ijele. What does it show you? Even if Ijele die in detention today, nobody will know. Even if Ijele die in detention today, nobody, in fact, as we speak now, you don't even know if he's still alive or not. Yes. You don't even know if he is still alive or not. So all those people who are saying, do this, do that, do this, do that, do this, do that, where are they? They have faced their families. They are about to go and enjoy their Christmas. The detention of Ijele by the other church. And now let me tell you, because when I keep telling you people that I understand the game, they are playing perfectly well. I have said this before and I'm repeating it again. We know that no we know that no it's that nature is the joker. It is allowed. It is not by force. Nobody is even forcing you. In fact, the church is like members. Every church by occupied. America. Na UK church is not this country. No. Nigeria, church can edu. In fact, you must go to church early for you to find a seat. Otherwise, the money will overflow. Yes. That is why my dad, na sembat every morning 5 o'clock up go church. Go when no boy had done. No of man no go on overflow. Because when time we are way back, the overflow. So nobody is forcing you to come to church. You are free to go to wherever you want to go. You are free to do whatever thing you want to do. Nobody said you should not criticize Christians. Nobody said you should not criticize Jesus Christ. But what we are saying is why you are doing that. Malum way cross or boundary. Now to show you that the people in Emefa are doing a calculative job, but they are collecting the payment immediately. Because no kedi go jene inu rice. Water kido rice afoko your rice $1 I have said it before. When Ijele was arrested, they were ranting everywhere. There was noise everywhere. Nobody cares to know what this young man has done. That young man said imaginable things and worse things than Ogechi. Why I said Nifukulu do worse than Ogechi Kuru is because he even went out of his way to start threatening lives. He even threatened the entire police force. And people were clapping for him. People were clapping for him. But the same people all came back to talk down on Ogechi. I am not justifying what anybody said here. I am talking about the act. And for you to tell me why you have to support this act when it was A that did it and they condemn it, no one be made. That is why in Juwe na agwa na condemn if adoroma we condemn if adoroma. Gotago. Condemn if adoroma we condemn if adoroma. If you burn is the cash. All nation can go police station. Ebe detain speed Darlington. I can get that information for you 30 minutes after I'm ending this broadcast. I think you should go there because this comment here, speed Darlington Adanwe. I mean, Bonaboy Adanwe. You got that? I end this broadcast within 30 minutes. In you end this broadcast, I can get you the exact police station where Speed Darlington is. You can go there and talk to the officers. You can go and I can direct you on how you can reach to Bonaboy. You see, Dozy, calling them forces to reckon with. When you know that you are not ready to go down the process with them, you don't want to walk down the same process with them. There is no different case here. There is what we call criminal defamation. Go and get a lawyer. Go and get a lawyer. Land you in a prison yard or in the name of name and law. Go and get a lawyer. At every given time, seek the advice and the legal counsel of your lawyer. Seek the wise counsel of your lawyer. If you na so be mad potted, una na right because now we're going to defamation war, criminal defamation. I argued with someone on the program I did. It want to Nigeria. Wo a crime carry 14 years. Then you came out openly. That, by the way, they now support to Speed Darlington. Then I want you people to even tell me what is the crime difference between what Speed Darlington said and what Ogechi said. I want you to tell me. Yes. Can you tell me what is the difference between what Speed Darlington said and what Ogechi said? The difference or lie in people who those things were said against. I made a video and I told you people, let us forget about sentiment and whatever. That what Speed Darlington said, no drama. Ono say no. That ono chowa ko bring their logic into it. Ono chowa ko bring their logic into it. Now, you were trying to justify Speed Darlington. Boom. Ogechi, you now came out to come and condemn Ogechi for the same crime he exonerated Speed Darlington from. If you want us to continue like this, it is better. Now, let me say something again. When Ijele was arrested, and Zion, Zion this, Zion that, Ebuka Obi, Ako Zion. Hey, the moment he came see Ijele, Sinaka Zion poor, Banaka church that Hezekiah, Ebeni ne nyoko oko, mwenaju, arrest to sigo na arrest, bani forso. If Ijele na noketa, or the different from Nkono before, Ijele on a 5-star hotel now. I am asking because I don't know why they were all quiet. Is it because Nakesia Hesigonaka is the most hated pastor for Banaka, another person? Does it mean that no a Christian organization hold Ijele now? I am asking you. Onde na wisinana ko wunde na kunsi ko wunde ne ma another thing. Is it no more a church? Why have they decided to forget about Ijele as if that young man doesn't exist? Is it because it is no more Zion? So because it is no more Zion, you have hands off? I am asking you. Now let me tell you another thing so that we will know. Kai wolunwayo anam he akwom media na akwom media. A lot of people na amuyoko. A lot of people na amuyoko. Similar something mekwa tomorrow. Or will only make us wedo they involved, just like in Kogeshi. You know what they are that say, Ezugo, come and say something. Ezugo, come and say something. Ngoma feel ne wa machancha, continue saying it. Because na kwa fan, okeke kwa fan. Esen na fan na ho kwalo. No the man. Okafọ kụwa fan esi na fan ahụ kụwara n'ọdụ mma because na Okafọ na Okeke wu onye nke gị echi niile Okonkwo mụ na ya dọ na mma kụwa fan isi m ezugo come and talk. What do you want me to come and say? I agree go na your own stand na ịkụwa fan ọdụ mma. So Kerife, do you have problem with me concurring with you n'ife kwuru? That is it. Yes. Onye akpọrọ onye ohi epụta sị m na not the right na agwa na onye ohi ọkpọrọ onye adọrọ mma isi m not the right because na onye nke pụtakwa echi kpọkwa mmadụ onye ohi nsịkwa na ife onye a na-ekwu adọrọkwa mma isi m na ọdụ mma o ruzie nwanne echi onye nke m kpọọ mmadụ onye ohi epụtazie ka isi m ezugo gobịa kwuo okwu kere ife ị chọrọ ka m bịa kwuo ọkwawu kwuru na ịkpọ mmadụ onye ohi dị mma agrigo m ịkpọ mmadụ onye ohi ọmaka ọmara mma ịkpọ mmadụ onye ohi mawuru onwe na mma. Now that news was broke that morning, that afternoon, that Ken Palace of Justice was arrested. Immediately J-Park switched in. We say no ndoka arrested. The moment we mention no ndoka, a lot of people beaten with their backlash when they later decided to close that dirty job. They now started saying that no, chase them away, arrest Ken. I did not hear any of them condemn, chase them away. I did not hear any of them Abraham I go chase them away. Now I ask myself, so when somebody is being arrested in Nigeria now, before you condemn that arrest, it must be from a pastor or it must be from a member of a church, a notable member of a church, before you can now condemn the arrest. Is Sharia this way? This is an intelligent observation. So does it mean that no nyuka ki jele mejolo ka kenu mejolo no nya he enweho right to go and seek redress from the police, but chase them away with right to do so? I did not hear anybody insult him. I did not hear anybody call him them. They only did that when it was reported that no ndoka asikununu no Kenya amaghị egwu ana warụ ana kodo. Ndị ba yi kwuru okwu sị na okenye amaghị egwu ana warụ ana kodo. So until a pastor or a notable member of the church, a non-member of the church arrest a mother, that is the only time an arrest an abomination. But only ozo arrest a mother, arrest ya hado legit. Because I am yet to understand why nobody condemned, chased them away for arresting. In fact, it was very easy for them to use chase them away because they know that their people cannot criticize or condemn, chase them away. They know that their people cannot criticize or condemn. But imagine if no accusation arrest Ken Palace of Justice. Up till today, arresting Komelu Mataya say we shall go. Arrest Emery Jele, we shall go. Chase them away. Arrest Ken. Let us even assume that not Nyamela arrest. Yeah. They buried it like it is no more an arrest. Like all the time Hanoneku. Na Ken Otalafufu na Senegal. No na Ser na Senegal. Na this guy has so much afufu. This guy ayogo mbagalo. Can even pata na ya bagalia. Can only je arrest him. Only out very wicked. The moment Owuzi chase them away, arrest Ken. That wickedness in na. That insensitivity hana accuse down na. Afufuni na Ken Otalo na Senegal disappear overnight. I want you to pay attention when these guys are acting. Pay attention. Gente. Listen to watch closely their body language. It is written all over their actions, their intentions. Yes. So, ignorantly kana eklem na ye mara ife na-eme ịma na agha aghụghọ onye ka njisigo na okenye sịrị na ọ maghị egwu ana wa aghụghọ ka ọdụ okenye sịrị na ọ maghị egwu ana wa aghụghọ ka ọdụ ọfụ ebe ọ ya egwu ana ogbuo ọfụ ebe ọ chọghị egwu ana ọ ya egwu ebe ahụ ọ ya egwu ana ọ justify ya reason o ji egwu ana ebe ahụ ebe ọ ya egwu ana ọ sịghị na enweghị n'ide anyị eji wee egwu ana ya okenye sịrị na ọ maghị egwu ana wezigbote aghụghọ ka ọdụ. I know those games, but I am telling you today that those games and those silly games that you adults and you elders and you people feel they play in Igbo, the end will not be good. The end will not be good. The end will not be good because with your selfish interest, at the end of the day, it will be done on us. It will be done on all of us. Did you hear how everything about Ken's arrest was just went quiet simply because it was, according to them, chased them away that arrested Ken. So it is right for chase them away to arrest Ken. Then according to J-Park and Amdotwe, they went and begged him. They went and begged him, away forgive Ken. We soluha, we Jena station, away bell Ken. So it is right. So all Zion are eventually all Zion arrest Ken. So nobody wants to know whether no way is no way arrest here. People will start crucifying him immediately. Is that what it means? But people will not chase them away. All of you suddenly understood that Ken majority. You people even raised the issue of Ken apologizing to boss lady. Have you seen? So these people, when they are being offended, they have the right to react. But Owuluna Zion, Meluke and arrest, there will never be any justification for Zion to arrest Ken. And nobody will be willing to appeal to him to please release Ken. I want you people to stop all these things. It will not help us and it will not take us to anywhere. It will not help us and it will not take us to anywhere. That ni ya abakponi mu no ko opololom egbaputa ni lojuo onye na egbu. That ni ga na kponi mu no ko yorolom egbaputa ni lo juo onye na egbu. That ni ga na kponi mu no tie mmadu ife gbaputa ni lo juo kele onye tie onye na ebe akwa ife. That ni yesu no oku gbaputa ni lo na announce ndị mmadu biko ha biakwo n'uno na agba oku. It is very sad. It is very sad. And it is very regrettable. It is very sad. And it is very regrettable. Ebuputa umuha asịrị nke anyị ebuputa ụna agbaghara ya agbagha. Ifo unu ekwuru maka Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Onye ekwetarịrị ya. O nwere onye forced jebe ụka. I want to know what the bone of contention is now on Facebook. I have never seen anybody forcing you that you must be a churchgoer, that you must be a Christian. Face your lane. Allow those people to face their own. They just finished an audition program. Nobody forced you to come there. Nobody forced you to come there. It is a thing of choice. So why have you taken it upon yourself to be drinking paracetamol? No, we see now also. I have told you people, all you feel joker who a crime. Go and start that campaign from your immediate family. Why I said your immediate family is because na nnewu nolondo nnewu na joker. Nnawu nolondo nnawu na joker. Nnewu hachari na joker. In fact, all go with the breadwinner of your family. In a nego haji class. So I want to know where all this nonsense is coming from. What is the business you have with me? Am I your brother? Am I your sister? Monago, or any relation? Are we even friends? Why do you love me so much that the ignorance you allowed your father and your mother and your sisters to be eating like food that you so much love me, Ezugo, that you don't want me to partake from it? I am asking you. If you love me so much that you want to liberate me from even though Katilaine, but you are not brave enough to liberate your immediate family from that same bondage, is it not shame? Is it not shameful? Is it not shameful? 25th December keta. In fact, Christmas ya keta. Pota keta banda spanda. Ngonga wonyo mena na buze eziokwu no na spanda. Ngonga wonyo mena na buze eziokwu no na main market. Ngonga wonye sele na ihodo onyo mena na buze eziokwu na ihe onye ụka na onwe ife consign no go na market. Je no ogba eta Enugu. But fact that they can never close this market. Jena trade fair. Only one guy made a serious argument in Abi. I want you to go to Kelafa President Aspanda. Kelafa this new president or this current president of Asamba. I want you to go to Ngozi Meshebe. Ngozi Meshebe on no account to anybody Mechi Afia. That need a joker. So you cannot celebrate Jesus' birthday. Go there and tell them. Those are the places for you to start fighting from. The holiday is go. In fact, in Kenda Hausa, ihe beda lakoba. Manogo on ha yeme nke ha neme. Eya no nu iya na holiday. Umuga ye school. Iye respect ye. Nke aye erukwa na again. Afia ye meshikwa ida na Tuesday na trade fair. Inorukwa na uno. Inorukwa na uno ya de jafia. Those are the places you should start fighting from. Start from your family. Start from your in-laws. By your father and your mother. Now for as long as family joker. Go. Because if you can be wishing the family of Evangelist Ebuka Obi evil. Because you are the joker. If you can be wishing my family and me evil. Because none the joker. But when you sit down, you pray for your father and your mother. Boo, CWO, Nisi. Bulu, charismatic, you can go to Nisi. Bulu, everything, no, no, for the name one day, bu efak Nisi. Yet, you go na somewhere, na school. You have not hated her. You have never wished her to buy. You have never wished your family to buy. Yet, her book Nisi. 31st night, almost everybody known as your family is Joe Kabane. You have never stopped any of them from Joe Kabane. But you want to convert me, turn me Ezugo into your enemy. Because I chose to be doing the same thing. Your family decided to fire them. Can we all take this battle to our family? I don't need to fight much in my family. Because the whole of my family. So what it shows is that I conquered my family even before the fight started. Take the battle to your family. Let it be operation liberate your family from bondage of Ndosha. I will also be in this Facebook to stand the just like Ogenko Jale. I am happy that Bonner Boy Ablonye pastor. But I came out. As if now for seeing I came out and I said what I said. No. That's me that so okay, but you simply hated her because of her affiliation. Anybody do affiliated to any religious organization, you have declared that person your enemy. And I keep talking about it. This spirit whereby hurtful. Let us not use this spirit whereby hurtful. Anametie kampu. Nebe ka akwa. Onye ona respect you onwe ye. Onye ona kwa ilo onwe you bu. Respect they say is reciprocal. Respect people. Respect people. Anything they put like a man of God, bam, ibulie. Anything they put like a man of God, ibulie. Sweet Darlington doesn't have good home training. No, they don't know. This is when they have just realized it. Somebody because from interaction, but the guy home training. Forget about entertainment, whatever. That guy one single home training. Anyhow, or now run a catap anyhow. If a son you or how, you put your money where your mouth is. Yes. Na nwoke ha ablosonono. Oda na ifem odogwu maybe for odogwu. Oda na ike aka inowo ike aka. Oda na okwu onu ikwuwe na okwu onu. Ohoso oda na okwu onu ikwuchakoro ife niile. Olu on action e chola zende ya bia noro. Omudiri gu je ekwu ife kwuru. Omudiri gu je ekwu ife kwuru. Oplo mudiri, I did not send you. I did not send you. It wasn't me who sent you. Ije kwu ife kwuru. So oda na omume imewe no dike kewu. Ohoso dike n'ọnụ ya da aza dike n'ọnụ o wure ekwurekwu ka ihe eji na-ekwuchakọrọ ife niile one single action inweo one single action inweo. Look at how they are peddling that an evangelist Ebuka Obi jeme secret marriage. Let us assume that Evangelist Ebuka Obi jeme secret marriage. Is it your business? Are you his father? Are you his mother? Are you a member of his family? Iwonyo monaye omelalo kanjukene ga ajuju. Evangelist Ebuka Obi as onye Igbo decide ya ijewe a secret marriage. Omelalo kanjo omelalo etu akosi we chime nkeye na owuloli no meri eme. Etu akosi we decide ime nke no cho ime ko dola ogbasa howo. It's none of your business. And for as long as no that bohiwu according to any church, according to any, even the law of nation, or that he will. So, what is your headache? Okay, according to how you people alleged, it has now become your concern because you are a peacemaker. Because now your family, now the whole member of your family, gonna father na for the name of fancy. What is the yet in a Jattere family on Evangelist Ebuka Obi and his family has suddenly become a national issue. That when people sit now, they talk about Zion, they talk about Ebuka Obi, they talk about his family, they even talk about his mother. That is how jobless people has become in Nigeria. That is how free people are now in Nigeria. That when you sit down, you talk about issue that has nothing to do with our national growth. It has nothing to do with our existence. It has nothing to do with you personal. Those are the things you choose to be talking about. Okay, now that you have realized that to you, that there is nothing you can say or do about Evangelist Ebuka Obi that will ever make them to stop going to Zion. When are you going to mind your business? When are you going to mind your business? Metromaka na like and love button. Or when you share about this program, I want you to share this program. Metromaka na like and love button. Or when you share about this program, I want you to share this program. Yeah? Enough is enough. Bala fukwa noko wala. Bala fuoke owulala bala fuoke owulala otutu efi abani Zion this Zion that Zion this Zion that ndị narị agwa anarị ejesiri onwe ha ike na-emelu onwe ha ife ha na-emelu onwe ha ngonwa anọrọ na-alụ spectator ị na-alụ every day. What is the essence of going to a Odechi program when this one this? What is the essence of a woman going to church to go and pray for a husband? When are you people ever going to have time to talk about this your culture that is fading away gradually? Are you not aware that this same culture and tradition, which I know it is not what you are protecting, but your selfish interest, but let us assume that that is what you are fighting for. Are you not seeing that that culture and tradition is fading away? Are you not seeing that it is fading away? I saw the invitation card Timothy of Egbu abi posted na platform here. If I were a traditional marriage only Igbo emelu na Abuja, every invitation here boldly invite you out to Abuja for a traditional marriage. Are you not worried about that? Instead of talk about the cause. When are you going to ever talk about the cause of why that traditional marriage was moved to Abuja? You don't care because you just want to be talking for talking sake. Eh? When are you actually going to talk about an Igbo proper? When are you going to talk about an Igbo proper? When are you going to talk about Igbo? When are you going to talk about the culture and tradition? Okwasena na azota chana, we somute, ezota buhama, ijena azute. Owe megide ife shupuzie ndoka, which is ute in azo. Kela maybe ye jetoye, which is omena na bai na Igbo bai. I am asking you. Imegide ife no wa, we zotuta in azo. Question na jowo, kela na ebi ye jetuta. Ifona na adrozi, ibruzi uta hamisi, bagari webenine. When are you going to talk about this culture you are talking about? It is fading away. I keep saying it. Traditional rulers now wundi Igwe. Na nozi Lagos, no obodo Igbo, wela ashi obodo fa. Igbo na eme travel. Igbo na hapu community ebiri number. I am asking you. If that nebe governor of Anambra State be Ekiti State, see Ekiti State, na be Anambra. If that I'm asking you a question. If that on the men and Igbo today, Ibe na Christmas soro hana, ana na January soro hana, ana Jacomozo soro haje, ana Bakomozo soro hana, and yet Igwe call. You are not bothered that very identity age women Igbo is fading away. Look at traditional marriage. Tata. Ana abanko na Lagos, ana abanko na Abuja, and they made a lot of things. Yes. I remember when I wanted to do something for even my wife. I told my in-law, name will insecurity. That how can I gather people from Newi, Pokosreha, Webiawa, Enugu State? Name will insecurity. Ogonwoke na Ejekwoka. Ogonwoke Jiroko SU, Ebu, Scripture Union. Ogonwoke na Ejekwoka. Ne Jesu Kike. Ujiro ke egwu onwesie daddy kai bia na Nnewi bia mego na Nnewi I mean introduction I mego na Nnewi onwezie ife mma akpọrọ 1 or 2 3 people biazie Enugu State bia present ya ka bia present ya owesim no ya no na mba we ke nwa ye di dam yo na plan ro ikpo mmadu 100 bia mo court we da akpọrọ mmadu 10 bia. Never the important if I have supposed to remain. And that was what we did. Yes, for you to know the level of work and dog on nature, and not alcohol was in Jelenugu or I want more alcohol because he clearly told me that traditional marriage will be canabia, but I want the wifes from women and young Abiano wedding Abiano, and that was what we did. For you to know, when you put in fat. Na no alcohol but say abianu be for you to know oduko onye ahu na-eje. But he clearly told me no ya na legi isi nwe nwanye na mba na odro possible that we must come to Enugu. That culture is fading away. Onye nene taho na legi isi nwe na Lagos na legi isi nwe na Abuja e make traditional marriage na obodo oyiwo. You are not worried about that. You are worried about Evangelist Ebuka Obi na mwe nyana ejima wushibike go na your way ejima on our triplet. In what triplet with them? I am asking you. In what triplet with them? You are willing to connive with anybody provided all we image Ebuka Obi and the Zion Kana slander. You are willing to team up with even the devil himself. Kelo posunu ye melo mu na ebele. Ani Igbo na maybe say. Ani Igbo na maybe say. Iya kelo ki yesi ekwu okwu emenu video bosia about school onye bayiro na Lagos. E say no megeri ko megeri. why no buru school bunata na ani Igbo bia luo kunu buoye ka ishoro. When you have abandoned the real issues bothering our people at home and you are beating around the bush, but you want people to risk their life, to risk their investment and carry a multi-million naira project, they abandon where they can barely visit. The other day, a hotel owner and 3 other people, if not because no hotel na Igbo. The fact is that some of these people who were investment in an Igbo self, some of them are living outside an Igbo. So it is that investment that we keep bringing them back home. You abandon what we should be talking about in your business. If you don't want to go to Zion, you may not go to Zion until you will Zion. If you don't want to go to Zion, you may not, nothing may even take you to Ngobala. So what is your headache? What is your headache? You said you are the ambassador of culture and Ifa. When do you have time to discuss about truly that culture? If you follow na Igbo kita nwanyi ba mmon. If you follow na Igbo tata nwanyi ba mmon. Anazezazo okwa na amweze amu. Almost 60% of communities enwe na Igbo ta. Autonomous community enwe na Igbo ta. Anazezazo na. Mana agụrie n'egwu anazezazo. In fact, amụ na Igbo mmanụ na ada azezazo. Ọ na-etisasi ya n'Igbo ta. Majority of those people zore zahazo. Majority of those people zore zahazo. We zote aside ndị siri ike na ndị kala aka n'ime fa. Mmadụ n'ime fa na ogologo ndụ. I am asking you. Na igwe kene eto orizu aha one ka ezu okpoko n'ọba dowenwu Obi of Onitsha. Ọ da aha one kpagharịa n'ụmụ obodo niile igwe ha ka do hereditary. Ebe a ka ya nọ fu ebe igwe do 80 something years. Fu ebe igwe do 90 something years. Fu ebe igwe do 100 and something years. I am asking you, since a lot of obodo ji wee zowe eze azoba, o nwere obodo nke mmadụ around Nnewi within a period of how many years ha enwezo n'igwe ịtọ. Are these not the things you should be talking about? Our real identity as Ndị Igbo is fading away. In Olona actually, Zion this, Zion that, Zion this, Zion that. In way time, it happened Panama Mok News, only Delta State, not even Delta Igbo, only Urobo also. Opota collide unity against your own brother. That is something I don't understand. Even the Igbo no. That is something I don't understand. Where Igbos are. Nyamfema dagota. Onye Urobo, ko onye ebe, onye Bini, ko ogono. Si Bini be ha, be na ani Igbo eba, be ukosia isiomo against your own brother. Ekolonenu. Okwunu kuwe na alo Evangelist Ebuka Obi je no nwanyi. So, oruzie no chore no nwanyi. Decide there to make it a secret marriage. How is it your business? The most important thing, what am I on if nyam fulfill your traditional right this year. God bless you that union with one. That's clear. What is your business? Is this supposed to be a topic to discuss? Oworozi for so for ayeku. Esem na nya na ejima na eso okwu. Hello? Yeah, good afternoon. Mbao. Shire man on live program kita o. Okay. Yeah? Oh no nwere ozi okwu da ayeku. Okwu ayeku ogugo nchancha. No okwu ayeku no agugo. No zikowa. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, secret marriage. Francis Aton Zeribe Nuguta. As of the time onwere obere nwanyi yo onulu malizbota makado young. Emambo onulu nwanyi ya. Emambo je know that woman. Iso weje emambo ya amamante. Does that change that no obere nwanyi ya defa? I am asking you. In fact, how many of our prominent men on an Igbo general not even second, third, or fourth wife? No makaye. How many general not even second or third wife? No makayano. ọkwọrọ ụbọchị anyị ada agụsịrị ndị nwunye agụrụ ụmụ nwaanyị nọ ụmụ nwaanyị ise o nwere nke ịma mgbe o jenụ I am asking you o nwere nke ịma mgbe o jenụ ụmụ ile asịrị na ya na iji mee na-eso okwu no peacemaker abịa na family unu niile unu na-atọ ka nnu na mmanụ unu ka na-eri nri n'ofu efere unu na-eriri nri n'ofu efere apasịala unu nri unu erie unu ebieri ọma na unu richaa nri kodo aka were akpagharị ụfọdụ ndị na-ebu this news ha na nwanne ha ofu nna ha eghe ọnụ ha na nne ha maọbụ nna ha aha eghe ọnụ for over 3 years. Can you tell me asịrị dọ n'ife akịta gwa m asịrị tọrọ ụtọ n'ife a eji wee na-ebugharị ya na-espreadgharị ebe niile na-espreadgharị ebe niile then na-ebelu ọkpa mma Ebuka Obi then na-achọkwa ibe agwa the other one. Can you tell me what is rumor there? What is the rumor there? O say anywhere a na-agba do personal ose n'igwe a na-agba do personal onye ọbụla na-agba nke n'isi ihe onwere onye na-agba nke onye ọzọ. There has never been a time a gwara anyị na-aya ekpe anyị ikpe in family ọ na-aya ewu nna bịaba maka ikpe ọkpọrọ nwa. In fact, for you to even know that na ka esi eme n'ụwa ka esi eme n'eluigwe onweghị ka mmesi wee commit crime njere kọtụ asị nkele ebe nne m nọ si nkele ebe nna m nọ si nkele ebe ụmụnne m nọ polisi anyị emedo ha arrest n'ọbịa. They will arrest me who has committed the crime. So I want to know. No, what does it have to do with Evangelist Ebuka Obi? I am asking you, knowing fully well that salvation is personal. Salvation is personal. Healing is personal. Everything is personal. I may intercede on your behalf, but it is still within your faith. If your faith does not allow what is or whatever thing personal, it is left for God. Yes. So nebelu mayoba na chokwa ka ebe yozo. Is it an issue? Is it really an issue? I am asking you. Owonye bia wokuru nne kuru nwa kuru umunne. I am asking you. Ana m ajụ ajụjụ. Ndị pastors ha zobisiri mpụta edo unu. You keep spreading na Facebook na ndị pastors wo agaba. Ha gaba ha kpọkọrọ security were agagharị ọ na-afị ebe niile taa ndị nwa dibịa esokwu n'ụkpọwa security kpọba ndị akpa obi aya hazi anụ ya anywhere. Na ndị pastor wu convoy taa ndị nwa dibịa esokwu na n'ụkpọwa convoy aya ha anụ ya anywhere. Na ndị pastors wee go ka ha ji ego private jet were na-ego moto ndị nwa dibịa esokwu na n'gome moto a na-akpọ machine aya da anụ ya anywhere. They go with the army and the if I do siren name anywhere because that is not your area of interest. You are not interested along that area. Assyria do go too much. Church, I do go too much. Mind your own business. Face your life. Your own life is falling apart. You have busy to be looking and calculating the life of a man that is 1,000 times better than you. The man that is 1,000 times living his dream life. You have not even yet gotten closer to the dream life it should be. Is that not wasting time on irrelevant things? Evangelist Ebuka Obi 100 ka ọ na-achọ ọ nọ na 85. Ngụnwa nwone na-achọ 100 rubodo na 3. Why can't you focus on yourself? Why can't you think about your life more than you think about his life? Yes. Why can't you think about his life? Oh, na mama ye mwechi niile. Mama ye give any no supposed to live from mama ye. So I want to na shiye ekwekwata ho. Echi niile. It is still personal. My mom was about 13 years ago. She did not live with us. I used to her weapon. I cannot drag somebody That is to show you that the journey of life is personal. But your ignorance will never allow you to know that the journey of life is personal. Because now, in a mayon you are fighting a man that his grace is more superior and more grand patron to your own. You are fighting a man you should be praying to God to help you tap from his grace. You are fighting a man who is living his life, his fulfilled and dreamed life. That is the level or caliber of the man you are fighting. Yeah? You are fighting a man who kings, presidents, and the people around respect. That is the man you are fighting. You obviously you are wiser than those people, and yet your life is the way it is. Your life is just the way it is. Mind your own business. Too much. Asereono is getting too much. Asereono is getting out of hand. Asereono is getting out of hand. And if there is nobody that is going to tell you, let me Ezugo say it so that you will hear it from me. You will hear it from me. You people are prognosing too much into things that are not even your business. Things that doesn't concern you. If you bine ya wene, ega wene, ngwano, jen wene amata Ebuka Obi. Jen wene amata Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Jen wene amata Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Every morning, Ebuka Obi this, Ebuka Obi that. To the point that now somebody who is not an ordained reverend father, it's more like a man look at that, but I get awesome. Need you watch a secret marriage. A puputanya na Facebook, be a comasre. Or na kosayo je secret marriage. A puputanya na Facebook, comasre. What is my business? Is he not supposed to get married? It is his decision to make it a secret or open. If he makes it secret, he doesn't want you to attend. He doesn't want you to make it public. It's not your business. Unless Nando Goye, then that is when we will begin to talk, because that culture and tradition, that before you are supposed to do it. That is the only place we may come out to start talking. Until then, you are sitting down. The problem is worse than. In fact, sometimes na ula inyeme potuni ni na Facebook ni shampotuni na ula hiti simanante manimi nesu iye meshia ya la hola. But if you na claim kaya se no wani na tusha na alo mma. Yeah. Ine claim na act kaya se no wani na tusha na alo mma. Meanwhile, uwanke ujoro njo. You cry every minute of the day. Why can't you use that time and gossip about Ebuka Obi and his personal family problem? Why can't you use that time to really talk about yourself? I am asking you. Let us be honest here. Let us be honest here. Evangelist Ebuka Obi made secret marriage. Evangelist Ebuka Obi na she became one nwoke so let us even take it na nyana ejima na enwoku ha woman nisizi nweloku ụfọdụ na ria amụcha ọgụ kụwasịcha tebụl kụwasịcha ebe niile. Yes, ụfọdụ na ria amụcha ọgụ wụla alụsị tụchie family niile. Osikike na ịbata na family kịta aha enwela dispute. Osikike na ịbata na family aha nụ tiki. We grew up na family ebe a na-esikosi nri ọnụ. Today family one ka na-esikosi nri ọnụ. In fact, ụmụnne one ka ya babe nwanne ha ejekepụtara nri irie ya n'anya odudo na family one ka ya bata na family jebe nwanne oke nri ke iru enwu irie nri ha na. Yes. So ọnwụ na ịma na even family nke ga adịghị perfect kere ife ị na-eje edere anya na family onye ọzọ. Kere ife iji achọ ka ị ghọọ peacemaker between Evangelist Ebuka Obi and his twin brother. Did they call you or have bịa kpesa alụghụ? Ya na ejima na-esegodo okwu ọ gbasa alụghụ Is it your business? Are you their father? Ongo muru mejima. Ongo wunne na nna muru mejima. Ewa agbata obi mejima. Can you feel pasaro gebu mejima mo? If not na asere we fe yebu some of you. Asere we fe yebu some of you. Ihe eri anu nkota mana iji eze keri o maza. Ina eri ebunu mana ina aso atoro. Ibrozi onye ụka faces your business happen doka. How what to come if I have what to call? You have seen the light. We want to see that your light shine. You know better now. We want to really see things that will confirm to us that you know better. You cannot know better why you are still dwelling in worse condition into condition before you actually come to know better. What is there to convince us that you actually know better? Nothing. In fact, in some cases, those people in there criticizing, now they are doing far more better than you. If I should judge from a physical scorecard, I will rate them before you. I will believe whatever thing they believe in more than you. Yes, because now, if only believe what it is doing to you is not encouraging at all. So what is there to emulate? From frying pan to fire. From frying pan to fire. If you jele na ariata we fo kutelo no and doche no yekwu niye. Speed Darlington today. If on area we fo kutelo no ohife niile ki yekwu. Ohife niile ki yekwucha ekwucha. O nwere ụfọdụ ya afọ imechi ọnụ. O nwere ụfọdụ ya afọ imechi ọnụ kudewezie na asịrị na ada anụ ọgụ. Achọzi m ide joke, achọzi m ide joke. Ihe eji agha n'ọgụ wee dọkọ the rest of us. Ihe eji agha n'ọgụ wee dọkọ the rest of us. Eh? The rest of us. You cannot do that. Enough is enough. In fact, you will more family problem in your hands than you are even alleging. Yes. You have more family problem. Problem in family. It has a Juno. For over 5 years to 6 years, it abandoned your ancestral home because of Fukunoka. Ni less than I but I don't know you. A buffalo. And then na onion natural Hebrew before they made a Lagos Punana home state here in Ebana where Nayana one day I draw peacemaker. Peacemaker opala. Yeah. Leona the peacemaker opala. This is why I love the white. They don't poke nose into another person's family. They mind their businesses. Only in Nigeria. Only in Nigeria that one's family will be abandon their family problems and talk about other people. You see, which is the truth, my brother. Ezioku kipuga. Eh? Mehana si ay bendocha. Eh? Eh? Ubolone ke na fundocha ha na agbakebe fence. Even docha ji ha agba fence because onwere onye in fact he nwere ike ibi n'una. And oblo so na bendosha ka ọ na-eme. Ebe mbiri na Shalala before nkwapu. Ebe mbiri na Kamwala South before nkwapu we kwaje Shalala. Ebe ahụ ilituo bata n'ime street ebe mbi. Onweghị unu dị ebe ahụ. Ndebine. Onweghị even nebo m because na mụ na-enwe connection n'azụ. Ka njiwe mara onye ha. And they begun to know like every 2 months and before we ever know how. When anybody again in that street because nobody cares to know what you do, nobody cares to know whether they pull on a battle. Basalo in way problem begging police. Police respond immediately. When if you will everything in your personal bill, if on a concern obodo ka jifuru awa agba fence mana Nigeria we gbacha fence gu egba yo ha ka nkwu because na upon na egba fence ga ho ha ka nkwu nebo ka na apok nose ka o ma dife na eme n'ime compound nebo ka na enyo ọma ife ọ ya eme origoro n'elu mango odube ka o wee na-enyo anya n'ime compound ka o wee fifi na-eme n'ime compound agbasa ụkwụ ihe. It is none of their business. Onwe onye bara gate agụọ ya mara onye ọ pụọ amata ime o ji wee pụọ. Ọ sasịrị ya wife ya dakụ na Nigeria, gossipers everywhere. Idozibe obelu mana ịchọrọ ije dozibe onye ọzọ. Look at Evangelist Ebuka Obi ị na-eti ọnụ na family ya. Look at family ị na-ewojere ọnụ. Look at family ị na-ewojere ọnụ ka nna agwa ijere idoziri ejima na ejima. Onye ọma Angelina Obi, Christian Obi, John Paul Obi, Michael Obi afagụnụ ihe change your surname zabazi Obi ka iwe ma na nwanne ha ka ewu. Pakọnatakwono isi niile a na-anị ana-eko ka ụgbọgụrụ olu ha na omume reality ya do on you. They have all forgotten about Ijele. Nobody talks about Ijele today. No matter how you think you are, people will still forget about you, including me. Who is talking about Onyeze Jesus again today? Who is still remembering Onyeze Jesus? So, Evangelist Ebuka Obi should even be happy that how many years down the line people are still talking about him. It is an honor. How many years down the line people are still remembering and talking about him. That is to show the high level of relevance among our people. Barely how many months nobody talk about Ijele again today. Even Speed Darrington. People have gradually forgotten about him. In fact, nobody is talking about Speed Darrington again. Who still talk about Onyeze Jesus? Look at even Hush Puppy that people celebrated. Who still remembers Hush Puppy today? Who still remember Hush Puppy today? That is how people move on. So Isho name is behave or in the name na people na krogaka. This is how they are going to forget about you. I am not talking about Pararama Blonye Bai or that Igbo Naso. Or that Igbo Naso. Onye na gukwa nwa onye Igbo shoro ka owuru onye bini ya bia na manipulate you maka nwanne you. I am telling you. No. I know Onye Jeremiah Zomta. I know they are not having problem. But I am saying, even if they are having problem, let us assume that they are having problem. Let us assume that they are having problem. Kenu wanne na wanne ya se na fe nwe bo problem. They are not many. Meaning ni fe dubo okene. So, kerusi ife oke ye eji kpuchi nke dube na atu nke dube ogene aka. That is the question. Kedu ife oke ye eji wee kpuchie nke dube ye na atuzi nke dube ogene aka ebe o mapo na onwe ha ebe egburu aja mgbele anọghọ na. You see? Kai kwakonata. We are overdoing it. We are gradually overdoing it. We are overstepping our boundary. How this family and this ministry, you have seen the light. Follow that light. This is not how Christians behave. Be the example of that Christian you want us to behave. You want us to be. You don't go to Zion. Allow them. Have their eyes until you realize. You got to go. Oye tekwa aka ha achọpụtakwa etu ngụnwa si wee chọpụta. Ọkwa ngụnwa na eme you were once a Christian before you realize that na eriri eri. Allow kwa na anyị ka anyị were aka anyị realize kwa na eriri anyị eri. Yes. Ọkara ihe etu a. Hapụkwa anyị ka anyị were aka anyị realize ya na eriri anyị eri. Yes. Experience is the best teacher. Allow that experience to teach us better. We are going to actually learn more when we learn from our experience. You want to go? So, carry here to stay away from Zion. Allow that church, that ministry to do what they are doing. Yeah. Allow that ministry to do what they are doing. And it is so sad how our people have decided to overlook Alu Neme na Igbo. Look at Igbo. Unyo na agba tiki buy Aduhoma. But I be on Facebook. Imagine if we use this energy to talk about the Evu Neme na Igbo, to talk about Ifojo, to talk about Obubuani Bundem Madonna Igbo, to talk about Untana Tundem Madonna Igbo. But you don't have time. Unu na-agba ọkụ, ị na-achụ oke. Onye unu na-agba ọkụ, ọ na-achụ oke. That is what we see. Chụwa oke, mgbe ahụ ịchụchala oke, you will come back to realize that na ọkụ agbapịago begu. Mgbe ahụ ka ihe ebe anya m anya moo. Mgbe ahụ ka ihe ebe anya m anya moo. Begu adụrụ mma. Na ife na-eme baị. Baị adụrụ mma. Enu adụrụ mma, ana adụrụ mma. Onwere onye na-anọ n'ala Igbo kịta mechie anya. In fact, if you sleep and wake up next day, apụ from be udeche bata, ikene chukwu na ije na bata. It is now by the grace of God that people go out and come back n'ala Igbo, and you are happy. Inenecha numerous problem niile. Since ife aji wee bido, ọnwụ na onwe bụ onye agbata obi nwụrụ, onwe bụ onye agbata obi nwụrụ. Onwe bụ onye side be ndị ọgọ nwụrụ, onwe bụ onye side be ndị ọgọ nwụrụ, onwe bụ ikwu na ibe enyi ọ affect goro enwego m ọ na m enweghị inwego. But we chose to overlook all these things only for you to come and talk about Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Ọnwụ n'obodo oyibo ka ị nọ si na ndị ọcha jikwa enwere ndị n'obodo oyibo aka ahụ nọrụ n'egwu ka believe kwa the same thing. Have you not seen that it is all about choice? Ngwa sịrị na America na ifugo light. O nwere ndị na America ahụ light na onwe efa. Ngwa ya eji wee fụ ụzọ. Ha ka na-ebelieve na ife a na-eme. Have you seen that it is clearly choice or choice ndị mmadụ? There is little or nothing you can do about it. In fact, there is absolutely nothing you can do about it. Every day ka anyị na-enwe ndị na-esi n'ụka na-abalị ije gọ mmụọ, fụ ndị na-esi n'ịgọ mmụọ na-abalị ije ka ụka. Emejuo can go. Emejuo is free to go. Nobody will force you to stay. Nobody will force you to stay, especially when we are not complaining or when we are not regretting anything. Ngonwa wonyi Igbo bido ikwu eziokwu. Because okwefugo ka the hand of justice is aga. Okwefugo ka the hand of justice is aga. Ijele kwuru ife niile okwuru. Yamara no maka mmadụ ka ọ na-ekwu. Yamara na ife ọ na-ekwu na ọ na-ekwu alụ. Oge chikwu okwu ịmapụta. Spidarity kwuru nke parara mock news na-ekwu nke since na support ya. Oge chikwu ịgbapụta. Ọ na-emo na Ogechi nwekwa supporters. Etu ahụ isi ya support ndị eni. Ogechi nwe supporters. So support those you support. Ndị na support kwa Ogechi and na support ya. You hate them, they hate you. You fight them, they fight you. You go here, back. That is what we have reduced our place to. You know that go? So, onye ọwụ na na-ekwu eziokwu, I want to know, kedu onye na-ekwu eziokwu ahụ riri? Who is saying that truth? Sisters Bread of Life kwuru na Ebuka Obi gburu mmadụ. We talk about it, what can be worse than accusing somebody na ogburu mmadụ? What can be worse than that? What can be worse than that? I am asking you a question. What can be worse than that? Man onye like okwu okwu enwapụta, because it's not as if na emaro ife do mma. You know what is good and you know what is bad. It is just that you are waiting for that thing that is bad to be done by the other side so that you can condemn it. But na your own favorite person you either shut up if you don't want to condemn it. Close your mouth. Silence is golden. People will not know where you are standing. Carry money putara ebia tem madule all in the name of nebia recover for job. Ebia recover for job. Yet everybody na pretend they need a kwezioku. Onye ona jofo. Who are these people jofa really? Kerunte jofa. Ofubo sofa ya rise against ndị niile na-ekwu na ha ji. And this soku ya rise no walo nwe yogo. You don't even live in Victory Estate. You don't live in peace. You don't live in any estate around there. When if they put you there, what is your business with activities of people? In a will go Jenya Chawo? Yeah? Mad will go and get in Unoka. And what pata, if you're going for your jagrim. Manine will go Jenya Chawo. In a jago, Jago Colosu more. In a will go Jago Chisha more. In a will go Dola Itafo black hole, Manya Yebugebu, Manya Yasondo, Nango. If Zunya would get Detino Noka, a sineri, go na Yekolonian go na Yekolonian, yeah, Ijegonke, Uneti, any Fayabu, Nebuebu, Yaman, and think any Fayao, Ogahopaya gone, Ulusu Hamilton. Onya Helusu Hamilton. Yes. Every day in a jet club, don't ever walk club, will they go fuel show one bottle of Weguna pant? Will you cash a phone? In a Jenna Nabora bet, eh? Jenebana what bet, Jisukelana, eh? Jisukelana from morning to night in our pool. In a West they go, they were gambling in where you see. If Zunya would get Jetino a raw financial expert, a raw financial advisor. Advisor are advising that one or what advisor? An advisor who cannot advise himself. That person, is he an advisor? I am asking you a question. When I ask you a question, you answer that question. An advisor are advising who? Is that one an advisor? Yes. All mara aso so n'ikwe onye amara aso so nana. I will keep saying it. Obosenta I assure no were nchi. Ha no nwa no si obi aka. Ozo bi ompete do no. Hapu no nwa no si obi aka ka omi ife ya na chi yekwetalo. It is not for you to judge. It is not for you to judge. The judgment is not of you. Obolongo kodolo a judge, yeah. There is God and nature there to judge us. Allow him. There are millions of people who believe in that process. And if it is not working for them, they will still not. Onyenye testimony enye, ese na arrange. Yes. Onyenye testimony enye, ese na arrange. Emenenu, emenana. Aye emetono. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, oya azalune ya aziza. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, oya azalune ya aziza. His life is different from that of his mother. So, what is the mother's condition got to do with the son? Because you don't like the son. That is why you will begin to mock an old woman. Let us even say, is that really something to talk about? Is that really something to talk about? Sometimes, and before the some predicament before you don't know. It is high time you keep asking necessary questions. Agadi nwanyi de etu ahụ nya wurugodo di na-ebelu ya ọkpa ị na-amụ ya amụ night ayi ejibuje my mom theater n'ọba jebe ya ọkpa ka ọ nwụrụ. How I wish na-ebelu ya ọkpa na abọdụ ndụ. How I wish na-ebelu ya ọkpa na abọdụ ndụ mụwazie ya amụ ọnne m ka ọ wọkwa narị ekwu okwu ngotakwara ya artificial leg ntikwe zọrọkwara ije na-aga. It doesn't say anything less of her faith. Yes, my mom who is a strong believer till the day on Ulana. I have no regret about it, and I'm sure she has no regret about it. Only mistakes, it is a mistake. It is different from her Christian faith. That is it. So, ngunga no wehu na amu nwata nwanyi amu wori na amu okunwa ye. Some of you, that we are living in the era where people don't have conscience again. Why I say that people don't have conscience again is that if you feel megasinenu ogai no ne, ya man and mother with conscience. Even the way a man is a mother these days, you will know that people in lose conscience. You gotta go on at those days. Go on at those days where people can win human conscience and human sympathy. Others now, then on the mmadụ nwụọ ịpụta n'obodo ọdụka ebe gbasara mmiri. These days mmadụ nwụọ ịka ya afụkwa nde ya ada aka onye ahụ nwụrụ anwụ ọnụ. That is the era anyị nọ na. Ịya afụ onye na-arịa ahụ, the only thing onye ife ike melu needed is sympathy and love. These days people will deny you that sympathy and love and give you pain and add to your pain. That is the year anyị nọ na. Meche na agbaghị okwu Bible kpọrọ ya oge ọgwụgwụ oge. Ọ kpọrọ generation anyị 2 Timothy generation. Ụmụazị ọgwụgwụ oge. Jee n'ife na-eme n'oge kịta. A man of the different from ife ahụ Bible kwuru ya dị eme n'oge ikpeazụ. Ọ wụrụgodu na mmadụ dere Bible, onye ahụ na-afụ ụzọ. Bible edelu more than how many thousand years ago? How many thousand years ago was able to predict the happenings of today? Don't you think that that book is so ignominious and more ignominious than you can ever think? If I hear what the China delu, more than how many years ago? And today, all those things is happening today. Inweloku. Ajukwanga ajujosego. Inweloku. Is it not enough to show you that that book is actually more deeper than you can think? It is not an ordinary book as you are thinking. Is it not enough to show you that that book is more than just an ordinary book? Yeah? We have come to the time when they look at Mr. Ibu, a young man of how many years in Wolo, leaving his young widow, and the children. Facebook. Is that not Ogugoke? We have lost it, and we keep losing it. No sympathy. Agadi mwani, kebelopa. Epotana amoyamu because you want to use her to mock the sun. Onwere ife go na nweji personally no ife nwe na-eme ikwetara ife ọ na-eme and of force ho na ige kwetariri n'ife ọ na-eme. That is the only crime that woman committed. No mule Ebuka Obi nyawo crime that woman committed. That is why Ijirozima no urugodo na ebe that woman ọkpa na onye bụ ofu ọkpa na mpempe ndụ ka ọnwụnwa ka ọ na survive doro. It is a miracle, not survival. My mom egotacha ma obala aye jibu ejewe theater. Next morning aye ebu a job orthopedic section in the teaching hospital no be chinile on one abania ebe 8. Yes. Today's date is what? 17. Is it even a coincidence that I am making this video exactly a day to my mom? Because my mom died on 18th of December. Yes, tomorrow. You may how many years? From 2012 to today. It's 12 years. Tomorrow you may exactly 12 years. Eh? Egota shano bala. Dewi feni ne. Ne shezi ututu echi. Eburi ejewe oba. Onwona bania. How I wish you not survive for tomorrow. Ndị mmadụ na-ekwuzi na-ezugo na-ekwugheri ife niile ọ na-ekwugheri why na o ji ekpere wee menne ka a ghara ibe ya ọkpa. How I wish na ife a ka ndị mmadụ na-agwa m. But if onye ya nwụrụ nnọọ na-ebelu mma ya ọkpa mma wee survive, you did not see miracle in her survival. Ịma mmadụ na-eburu na alụba tiyeta ha pụta ha. Ịma mmadụ na-echehodo ka ha baa tiyeta nwụọ even before ha baa tiyeta. Ịma mmadụ na collapse before a na-arụshi atụ n'ọgwụ ha nwụọ na. That is the generation I know now. I pity the youth of today, and that is why I allow you can at this our time. Can you get our fathers? Ejimi Boyoka, say no makana abandon womenana. You are evil. This generation do more evil. In fact, with the rate we are going and the foundation we are laying, the coming generation will be Jezebel compared to if this generation name. Or that this generation kaya amolo bawa madafo madu in a painful way bulonya to uyenime pit madu chineke monamu. Are we turning to cannibal? Is this not if I have even some white animals are insinuate to a woman? It's in with human conscience. It's in na generation na here ababuru na akoko. Sometimes so to say what chineke maybe you what because we will maybe go already. What is happening now? Ebo battle to the point that na go na mmadu nwere okwu. Iwe buru egbe we bata n'ụlọ ụka. We nọrọ n'ụlọ ụka we kpọghepụ egbe we kwawuo more than mmadu ne. Ma agadi nwoke nwụrụ na ma nwata eku n'afọ nwụrụ na esen na abụmọnụ inwelu a lot of ụmụ okorobịa in this our generation abụmọnụ ụfọdụ ụmụ okorobịa abịakpagharị. I only pity men or women who may go into marriage with such people. A lot of ụfọdụ youth I will in this our generation causes have we na akpagharị do too much because ụfọdụ n'ime ha emeta na emeta ụfọdụ si etu abụrụ aka ọbara na akpagharị. In fact, here we go judgment in what before they even think about the judgment in the world beyond. The same no oge elubo oge Chineke ya just maybe what because no happen what I fear the next 20 years. The next 20 years I had that watcha mother watcha n'ọkụ wolu mmadụ na-eme pepe soup na erie otokoto. The days of otokoto will come back again. The days of otokoto ebe eji anụ mmadụ wee mere ngwongwo we come back again. We are practically living like carnivorous animals. Onye jidere adọrie ye, onye jidere adọrie ye, onye jidere adọrie ye. No conscience, no pity, no sympathy. Nobody feels the pain of one another anymore. You may be in the sick bed crying. A wolu will put on Facebook. Wolu will make a mockery. Yeah? A wolu will put on Facebook. Will make a mockery. A 97-year-old man can humiliate him more on Facebook. Poor na what a 10 years ago we marry ife. As only Igbo na-ekwu nature issue back to the days of your fathers. Or na respect is one of the basic essence of our culture and tradition. Respect for elders. Yoruba, Hausa, and Igbo. Respect is the fundamental. Manona, simply because now this our generation should either have things their own way. And the best way to deal with or to create way and to create way for us to do things in our own way is to wear the cloth of disrespect. Manners, to throw away our manners. That is the only way you can look an elder and you go so will disagree with him or her. Is that not so? Our dignity, respect, and manners. We have lost it completely. Sometimes I am a trailer fail will break. Yes. It is no more about how our parents trained us. We have learned from other places. We have even thrown away the foundation. Most of us, this is not who we are trained to be. Most of us. Go deviate go from the originality age you marry your family, and you are here still thinking that you want to go back to your root, the root that you have abandoned for the mere fantasies and the everybody want to have it the easier way. Nobody want to go through that difficult path, but everybody want to have it the easier way. Nobody wants to be questioned. Therefore, we decide to put on that animalistic behavior so that we can scare people away, so we can behave the way we want to behave. I understand that quite well. Kudos. But onye mmekọtanya chele echi chelu ụmụazị a na-amụsịta kịta kịrịkịrị ụmụazị a na-amụsịta kịta there will come a time nwata ya ebinye wolu nne na nna bio ha ka granọt ọtụkwa nọmalụ because kedu onye na-enotice that ife ọjọọ na-adụzi nọmal kịta ịma na kịta ka ya nọ na-egbu mmadụ ndị mmadụ anọ na-akụ aka kịta ife ọjọọ na-adụzi nọmal kịta n'anya ndị mmadụ alụ ịmakwa mgbe e kwuru na alụ gba ahụ were omenala kịta alụ ahazikwa agba ahụ bifo were omenala alụ na-awụzi omenala kịta a na-institutionalize alụ na be anyị kịta a na-institutionalize alụ na be anyị kịta. I will continue this broadcast later but for now ọmasa onye mara ebe ọ were ahụ na jechiri ọgọdọ hapụnụ that young man aka ka that young man zuoro onwe that young man na-azụ okwu Chineke kpọrọ ya go and answer your own call. Go and discover your own talent. Go and answer your own call. Allow him and his family to be. Ebuka Obi make secret marriages. None of your business. It is choice. Yes. He never said he will not get married. Opugodu, that he will not get married or decide to get married. It is still none of your business. He is not under obligation, under any doctrine, under any law not to get married. It is still the same thing happening in our different families and communities. Ụfọdụ town obodo ebi enwere igwe na-abụ nwee igwe ịtọ. Yes, ịchọ ịma ha afọ jee jụọ ndị ọka jee jụọ ndị alụ. Yes. So what is the big deal there? Nwanne na nwanne so okwu edozikwa if truly na fa na-eso okwu then esi na-ebelu mmanya ọkpa na-achọkwa ibe ya ọkpa nke ọzọ. Ịnụrụ na mpempe ndụ ka mpempe ọnwụ mma. Anything melu ndụ m ji wee dụ, it is still a miracle. Yes. Anything melu ndụ ji wee dụ, it is still a miracle. Onye ahụ nwụọ anwụọ, ọnwụ ka wụ mmeri. Onye ahụ nwụọ anwụọ, ọnwụ ka wụ victory. Yes. That is what it is. Meri ile ulie. Share this broadcast. Click on like and love. I still remain your favorite Ezugo. I'm signing out. Daalụ.